Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. 10LA, Small Town Angler. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And it's greatly appreciated, that subscription is. Really appreciate the support and the views. And if you enjoy this content today, please smash that thumbs up. And if y'all been enjoying the content, please smash the thumbs up button and like these videos. So what I got sorted for today is I'm just gonna do some creek fishing today. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna fish with today. I got a deep diving crankbait on here. This creek's not real deep, so but yeah, we're just gonna try a few different things today. See if we can catch some good ones, catch some big ones. I know this creek definitely holds some big fish in here. So I'm really excited. I'm always excited when I come here to fish this creek, because you never know what you're gonna see, never know what you're gonna have, run into there as far as fish wise. And it's a really exciting place to fish. So I'm grateful I'm able to bring y'all along, and I really hope y'all enjoy this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some things rigged up here and get a backpack, or a bag with some different lures in it, and then I will see y'all at the water. All right, here's a look at the creek here. This is actually this is the same creek that I did my intro on. Did my intro video, my channel intro video at, and I caught a couple of little small bass there, but I've also caught I'm not sure if I had the videos posted before this one or maybe after this one, I'm not sure yet, but I've caught some really good bass out of this creek here. A lot of debris washed up in here, but I've caught a lot of good bass out of here. There's some big bass in this creek. This creek just holds some huge fish. And definitely a bunch of brim, a bunch of perch in here, which is pretty cool. But the ecosystem here is thriving in this creek. It's really neat, and it's really cool to see, because the water's clear. It's like crystal clear. And I mean, I can sit here and just watch all these fish and these perch. And then right now I'm watching perch chase other perch off their beds and stuff. It's kind of funny. But I do plan, I'm probably gonna be, excuse me, about fell there. If y'all would like to see that, just know it's just strictly just a brim fishing video. Leave some comments below, let me know, and I'll make that happen for y'all. There's a bunch of brim in here, beautiful brim too, some big ones. Like I said, coming downstream, I was kind of coming to look and just kind of checking everything out. I'm not seeing any fish in here right now. Any big, I mean, I'm seeing a bunch of perch, a bunch of brim. I'm not seeing any bass. So I may go ahead and just go on upstream. You can usually see them. I didn't bring no water shoes either, so I'm not gonna be wading or anything today. But I'm looking. I'm not really seeing any bass hanging out right here right now. I'm gonna go ahead and still gonna give it some casts here. Go ahead and toss this old swarm here. I'll see if there's anything. I didn't see any bass there. Making a cast in the shade here. In that shade line. So if there are some, I know they're probably gonna be sitting over there. There's also got some water flow coming in down through there as well. It's a little bit deeper over there. So we'll see. A little brim pecking at it. Oh, there's a bass. There's a bass. There's a bass. I see a bass. No, I scared him off. Dang it. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? That was a good bass too. That was about a 2-pound bass. He started kind of chasing some brim there. Got a little too excited and didn't wait just a hair longer, because he was I was in a spot where he can kind of see me if I was to make any movements or, you know, make a cast or something. I should have just waited just a little longer, and I didn't. Bass went over this way. Let's see if I can make a far long cast here and see if I can find that bass down there somewhere. Nothing in this section here. I've seen that one bass. I don't know if y'all were able to see that on, if y'all got that on the video. If that was a good looking bass. Let's go ahead and travel back upstream here. Go the opposite way and fish. And the water's still pretty clear up here, up creek here. It does get a little more murky, but it's still fairly clear. I got some good, caught some good fish and seen some really good ones. But you know, it rises and stuff gets washed down, or fish get washed down. So I don't know if it's still going to be stacked full of fish there or not, but we'll find out. Sorry about all the noise. We are right next to a pretty major highway. I usually stop right here to get a little gander. You kind of see my trail here. There's usually some fish. There's some big brim I'm looking at right now. Definitely, brim video is going to be happening for sure, because there are some huge brim in here. Take it. Why are you not going for it, bud? It's gotta be the color. He's not into that at all. Trying to fish these colors. This lure's about had it anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off. A lot more natural presentation here, so let's see how this goes. pretty unique about clear water is, I mean, you might not see a fish, you know, they might be off behind some structure or something like that, and you start working that lure by, and then this bass fish just comes out of nowhere and starts checking out your bait or just nails it. Got him, got him, got him. Oh, come off. Golly. Dang, that was a big brim. That wasn't even a bass, that was a brim. You went for a little ride. Got him. Yes. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Got him. Woo! Oop. Creek bass number 1 right there. Yes. Barely had him hooked. Yeah. All right, thanks, bud. There he goes. That bass did not know what just happened. He put him a fight too. That was fun. It's always fun. Always, always fun. That bass seen me and turned around. There's actually a little bit bigger one come up from over there. All right, let's go ahead and move on down. Get out of the shade, getting some sun. I mean, get out of the shade. Woo! Been in the sun too long. I meant get out of the sun, get into some shade, is what I meant. Usually some good bass stacked up right in here. I know it's probably a bit late in the day for a topwater, but we are fishing a creek. So let's see if we can get on a bass on this. I would love to catch a bass on this thing. Ooh, speaking of bass, there's a good one right there. It's kind of scared him off just a little bit. Got him. Woo! Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Easy. Beautiful little creek bass right there. Yes. Kiss for good luck. Let's get back in the water. Here we go. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. See if we get some more action like that. Got him, got him, got him. Yes. Oh, oh, no, no, no. There we go. Woo! Bass number 2, or 3, I mean. Yes. Kiss for good luck. Let's get this guy back in the water. He went. Yeah, man, that is awesome. God, it's backlashed bad. Trying to catch a tree bass today too. Got him. Got him. That's a good one. No! Dang it! That was a good bass. Golly, I cannot believe I just lost that fish. Oh. Tighten this drag up. That was a good fish. I don't know if I'm gonna get him to bite again or not. That's heartbreaking. Very heartbreaking. Oh. Part of it though, it's how it happens, it's how it goes sometimes. But there is a bass over here. Dang, that was a... Got him. Got him. Yes. Ooh, easy, buddy. Easy, 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 easy. Beautiful, beautiful little river, little creek bass there. Thank you, bud. All right, let's check out. Let's see if our buddy, if that big bass is still sitting over here. Ooh. I didn't notice him swim off anywhere. He may, hoping he just went back to where he came out of there. I guess we'll find out. All right, I had to swap out GoPros there real quick. So, probably cut this. Got one. Got one. Oh yeah. Come here, baby. Come on. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Easy, easy. Ow. Gotta thin it. Oop, oop. Feisty guy. There we go. Another little bass. Oop. There we go. Beautiful little fish. Kiss for good luck. Yes. I do want to try. Now this lure I have not fished with at all yet. So this will be my first time using it. I thought this would be good conditions for it. I like to fish white type baits. In clear water. I've had good good productive fishing. Throwing whites and clear water conditions here, but even also in some murkier ones, not obviously not too dark, not muddy or anything. I'm a stained conditions. I've had good luck, I've had good fishing with white colors, lighter color baits. I just figured, I think this would be a good place to try it out. And I think I see my... Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and move down a little further. Alright. A little bit darker water here. Still pretty clear, but it's a little bit darker. I think that bandito bug would be good right here. Let's see if we can get down. Now it's a little lower here. Oh, he had it. In a tree. Crap. Oh my gosh, that's a big bass. Come on, where'd you go? I was actually reeling it in, and this, like, that had to be a 3-pound bass. Come out of nowhere, following it. Jeez. I was just straight retrieving it, just reeling it in. Got him. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Stay on, baby. Stay on. Yes. Oop. That's what I'm talking about. Easy, buddy. Yes. Yeah. Barely had him hooked too. Oh man. Let's get a weight on this guy actually. Here we go. Oh, we're in kilograms. There we go. Zeroed out there. £2, 6 ounces. Oh, that's a chunker there. Beautiful fish. Beautiful bass. I say that a lot. Y'all gonna hear me say that a lot. Probably every video. Well, I mean, not every video. Beautiful fish. Yes. Kiss for good luck, because it seems to be working. All right, buddy. There he goes. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Let's get a few more casts in, and that's a good fish. Good old creek bass. What I was doing there is just let that bait hit, and it's kind of popped it, almost like you would the way you would fish a frog. So just, I'm not popping up, just kind of popping, just with parallel, because you're already above the water level, the ground level in the water there, so you already kind of have a natural up whenever you pop it. So I want to just kind of keep it straight, as more of a straighter pull than straight up. I'm gonna take this reel home, take it apart. You probably heard that squeaking on there. I don't know. Maybe the brakes on there are going out. It's been a really good reel. I really do like this reel. It casts really smooth. It's a 10 bearing, 7 to 5 to 1 gear ratio. It's been a really good reel, and I actually got this reel at a pawn shop. Just doing going around pawn shops one day, and I seen this reel sitting there, so looked at it, and I looked it up, and it's a pretty expensive reel, and I got it for a good deal for what the reel's worth. I mean, being used, it brings the value down, but me not being able to go out and just to spend the money at one time on a brand new reel like this, and going there and finding one, just happened to come across one at the pawn shop. It was pretty awesome, so couldn't pass it up, and it's been a good reel. This is the tournament laser classic, and it's good old Lew's reel. And again, I know some people may think some things get mentioned because someone's sponsored and like that. And I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm out here fishing because I love to fish. And if I feel like something's been good, it's to me, it's been a good item or a good gear, I'm gonna give it credit. So regardless of what brand or name it is, if it's good, it's good. So, but yeah, I just want to point that out there. I'm not saying things just because I'm sponsored or anything like that, because I'm not sponsored by anybody. My channel is still new, still growing. But yeah. Oh, it's a good fish. Good fish. Yes. Whoo. Yes. Got another one. Yeah. I'm really glad. Kiss for good luck. Thank you, bud. Little fat girl there. Golly, there's a girl, female girl. That's a beautiful fish. Woohoo! Yes. There we go. It's a good dive in. Oh yeah, there we go. Got a right. Right where I wanted it. I think that's a good feeling. Like you've been making casts, you've been practicing, and then you go and start putting it, and you're putting it where you want it almost every time, or at least a lot closer than what you used to be. And it's a good feeling, you know, of accomplishment. You know, all the practice and time put in and stuff is, you know, it really does pay off. You know, there's times it may not seem like it does, but it does, and it will. Got him. Got him. Yes. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Tail's healing. It looks like it's not bloody or anything. It's just looks like he's healing from that from post spawn. Or from Kiss for good luck. Thanks, bud. That's awesome. There we go. That was a good kind of dive there. Awesome. That's amazing. I think that's going to be a good ending for today. Oh, there we go. Get y'all on a better angle there. I think that's going to be a good ending for today's video. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. I really hope y'all enjoyed the content today. If y'all would like to see more videos like this, is going to creek, doing some creek fishing for bass. And you know, I've been thinking about doing some more different videos. No, I've seen there's some catfish in here, so I thought about doing a catfish video. Let me clean y'all off there a little bit. There we go. Thought about doing a catfish video here. Definitely doing a you know, a brim fishing video. This thing is stacked full of brim, bunch of brim in here, and a bunch of good brim too, some pretty good sized ones. But I really hope y'all enjoy this content today. If y'all did, please smash that thumbs up button, and if y'all new to the channel, please subscribe. And until the next fishing adventure, chest bump, I'm out.